How's everybody doing? So this is my wonderful leaf blower that mounts on the front of my stander, and it obviously doesn't fit inside my trailer when it's all attached. So what I did was I added on this trailer jack, so it makes it easier to put the pins into the machine, so I can just, you know, drag it up or drag it down according to whatever height these need to be at, so I'm not fighting with it, so it's easier to take it on and off. Also makes it pretty easy to move around, you know, and put it where I want. Nothing to it. So I'll just show you basically what I did. Nice piece of 2x2, square tubing, weld it right on, weld it together. Enjoy. Alright, so I just went in the shop, grinded down the sides, so I can weld all that. Grinder right here, so I can weld on both sides of that. Grinder right here, so I can weld on both sides of that. Yeah, it was nice to have that jack there. I'm not fighting with it with each hand and trying to push the pin in or anything. I don't really see it being a problem with ground clearance. I mean, it's probably higher than some decks, you know. So I just welded on a piece of channel or tubing right to the head, right to that, and right down. So there's my gusset. Basically, to distribute this weight down, right here will work, and just weld the bottom.